Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. And we have a special website to show you guys and items coming up. This is coming from ApolloBox.com. You guys can check them out. It's a different gifts and everything they have to choose from. They also got this thing called Surprise Box, which I'm going to be showing. And that link will be down below. And you guys get 15% off by using my promo code SURPRISE15. That's 15% off. All you gotta do is use at checkout SURPRISE15. In the first 3 boxes, you'll get the discount for. Then after that, it'll stop. It does give you normal price. But for the first 3 boxes, you'll get 15% off using my promo code SURPRISE15. So we'll take a look at the website, and then I'll show you what's in the surprise box. So they got bestsellers you can choose from. Oh, come on, computer. They got a lot of cool stuff, though. And they got a AR technology where you can scan the item, say like this, and you can test it out on your phone. So that's pretty interesting. They got that doing. There's a power box. So there's this one. It's a Eco Cube pre-seeded organic. Oh. Come on. So you get stuff like this. They got geeky stuff, technology, new arrivals. They got watches. So you can buy these individually also. So I mean, got a choice. And they got different gifts you could get. Food. They got toys. One food. Stuff like that. Kitchen products. Home and kitchen. And then right here is a surprise box. And Apollo. What to expect. And then you can just take a brief survey and you can see what to choose from. And that's how they'll send you the mystery items. So like sports or technology, home kitchen. So there's plan 1, $30 a month. Plan 2, $50. Plan 3 is $30 quarter. And plan 4 is $50 quarter. But you get the 15% off. You guys will save some money. So that's it for that. Now we're going to go on the table and show you what's inside. Alrighty, YouTubers. So once you pick out your survey thing for it, this is the box it'll send you. And here we go. And now we're about to find out what's inside. It's a surprise, so you never know. Every month will be something different. All you gotta do is just do the survey and let them know what your interests are. Like I said, home kitchen, technology, and other stuff. They got a lot of good choosing to pick. So here we go. Something new. Definitely excited to show you guys. We got some paperwork. Alright. Oh. Alright, this is something good. I'm liking this. It's like the V-Day special. We got some These are like the premium suckers they have. Look at this. Bada boom. Oh, these are like Galaxy. Whoa. That is sweet. Kind of like their, oh, what's that called? I don't know, but you get my drift. Look at that though. Sparkle Sweets. That is crazy. Whoa. Wonder how these taste. We shall find out later though. That is definitely interesting. Never seen like this kind of suckers. So like I said, you get a lot of cool, interesting stuff delivered. Solar system. That is nice. Nice little gift right there. And now we dig in for more. And we're about to find out what do we have. Well, mystery number one. This might be a long video, but don't worry, no ads. Oh yeah, we got the pop. Oh, come on. Here we go. And they got chocolate, cacao, Colombia, chocolate love songs. Oh yeah. Very nice. Alright, we'll keep on moving. Yes, look at the bottom. It's a big one. Alright. That's it. We got this one open. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, that's it from that box. We have here. Clean up the mess. So this is one of them. Right and boom. A ravioli cake. Well, do it yourself. Make your own gourmet ravioli. Mushrooms. Ooh. Alright, let's see what's inside. Here we go. Bam. I got a little instruction book. Cool. Hey, we got the shrooms. Porcini shrooms. Huh. Got some dough. Make the pasta. Flour. Oh boy. We got one of these guys to make the squares. Is that it? No, there's more. There is more. Down at the bottom. You got the lid, vinegar, oil. Waka. I think that's it. Alright, really cool stuff. So you got the mushrooms. Got the little ravioli thing. And you got the flour. Oh yeah. And then we got this little guy. Truffle infused oil. Ooh. Got that truffle going on here. Yep, that is it. So that is really cool, guys. And you guys could get something like this if you pick the right one. And boom, bada boom, boom. Get your mini pasta going. And then you got some snacks. These are really cool. Galaxy. Got that. That one. Oh, there's a different one. Green. That's really cool. And then there's that. And boom. There we go. And chocolate. So this is a Valentine's Day surprise. Awesome. Happy V-Day. So that's one. And there's that one. Came with everything. Make your own. Ratatouille. Awesome. And you already seen these guys. The Cosmo Universe. Yeah, that's what it's called. And then there's this chocolate love song. Like music for your taste buds. Alright, so thank you guys over at Apollo Box. And like I said, YouTubers, you guys could get 15% off your first 3 boxes, which will be down below, and the promo surprise 15. So definitely take advantage of that. And you guys get a lot of cool stuff delivered to your doorstep. So till then, YouTubers, be safe and have a good night. So see you guys soon. See ya.